Okay, today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the boat, our 36-foot Grand Banks. There you can see my boy Bernie up in front there. She needs lots of sanding, lots of painting, lots of work. But we've been kind of enjoying it, seeing some improvements here and there. This is what we call the cockpit area on the stern of the boat. Sit out here in the morning with coffee's real nice. There's our fish tray, life raft, cabin top. There's a fly bridge up there, but it's kind of a mess. We're working up there right now. Got everything down here on the side in the freaking way. We'll go around the other way, take a look, see what's happening. But yeah, this is the marina we're in. Pretty freaking nice. Enjoying the boat life. Gonna do a little bit of sanding on the handrails, a little bit around the edges, threw a coat of varnish on, make it look pretty. See down there along the bottom, we did some work. Just project after project. Nice thing about the Grand Banks, has these nice wide walkways. There's our transportation. When we get rid of the vehicle, that's how we're going to get around. Walking or riding. Got a new windlass, new chain and anchor, which is nice. There's my man, Anthony, saying hey.
Hey.
As you can see, we need some work done up here, sanding and painting. This is our Starlink, which is really nice. Probably the best internet I've had in my whole freaking life. Take a step inside. Here in the center of the boat, you have your galley, helm, and salon. Our galley, we got a nice new 2-burner propane stove. All these electrical appliances, which out on the anchor we're probably not going to use much. They suck way too much power. And then here's the salon. We got a settee to port, comfortable for watching TV. And this settee converts into a double bunk for visitors and guests. And then of course, gotta have the projection TV. And we have a nice big pull-down screen, which is pretty killer. We got 57 inches of TV. Not too bad. This is your helm, where you pilot the boat from. We got twin screws on this boat, old Lehman 120s. Garmin chart plotter. And this is our Victron energy panel, keeping track of our batteries and such. Nice big fat compass. It has plenty of storage. We were able to stuff all our stuff on here, which was amazing. This is stepping down into what's called the V-berth. There's 2 single bunks in here. Anthony's using the one with the cushions doubled up, and then all of his stuff. He just got his TV installed on a pole mount. All his goodies. Then to the starboard side, we have has his own ensuite head, huh? What do you think of that? Your own ensuite head in a boat. Pretty nice. Perfect setup for the single guy. Works well. And we'll travel aft and check out this master cabin is what it's called. They call it a trunk cabin. Down here we have a double and a single. Sleeps 3. Really, the double's a one-man setup here. That's my bunk. Got a nice companionway door here. It goes right out on the cockpit. You can step out on in the morning if you're using it. This here is an old wood-fired heater, which we're going to remove. We have a brand new Webasto heating system That'll heat the whole boat. And the single over here is just full of tools and stuff right now that we're using to work on the boat. We'll get that all put away eventually. And then we have a ensuite head here with a shower. Not too bad. Vacuum flush toilet. And I just set up this new shower head. It's pretty sweet. It's all adjustable and you can move it all around and everything. Ran a line all across up here. Comes out of the freaking ceiling. Yeah, it's a pretty comfortable boat for 2 people for sure. And then, you know, visitors for a short period. When we were looking at boats, I was like, man, there's a lot of room on that boat. But it really isn't that much room. 2 guys and a dog fills her up pretty good. Well, so that's the rig. We've been enjoying living here in the marina so far, doing all our repairs and maintenance and stuff. And look forward to get to cruising here before too long. We're going to be heading up to Port Townsend at the end of the Olympic Peninsula for a bottom job. How you doing?
Seals will all be coming back soon.
Yeah. There's, I don't know if you can see real well, but there's a couple seals out there sunning themselves. That's the main part of the marina there. And you can see over there, there's just some monster boats. Really nice little Ranger next to us. Strange fish. So that'll do it for this short video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Take care.